Came across an O2C file showcasing a product or architectural model and need to view it. This is a 3D presentation format from the early 2000s web era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through viewing these objects to see models. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective O2C file solution for the tough cases near the end. An O2C file contains a 3D model saved in the Objects to See format, optimized for real-time web and presentation viewing. Users encounter this format when interacting with interactive 3D objects embedded in websites or documents, aiming for a lightweight yet detailed visualization experience. The O2C format is a highly compressed binary file designed for streaming and fast rendering. Its structure prioritizes low latency by organizing geometry, textures, and animation data for progressive loading. This design allows viewers to start interacting with a model before it has fully downloaded, crucial for web-based applications. The common standard viewer for O2C is typically O2C Player from O2C GmbH. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows can't load full engineering assemblies, so detailed study requires specialized CAD platforms. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the O2C file and select Open With. Test O2C Player first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. Since the O2C file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use the simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, installing the O2C Player. Download and install the O2C Player from MB Software's website if still available. The free viewer application is the primary tool designed to display O2C files. Once installed, double-click the O2C file and the player opens the model with full interactive rotation zoom and animation playback support. Next, using a web browser plugin. Older versions of Internet Explorer and Firefox supported the O2C Player as a browser plugin for embedded 3D content on web pages. If you have a legacy browser with the plugin installed, open the O2C file via a local HTML page that references the model in an O2C viewer object element. Finally, converting to standard formats. Since O2C is a proprietary format, consider contacting the original content creator for source files in standard formats like OBJ, FBX, or 3DS. Alternatively, use the O2C Player's export options if available to save the model in a widely compatible format for use in modern 3D applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.